Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Hannah's Cuisines. Today we're doing something super exciting. I did not want to turn my oven on today, and after making like over 1,000 naan kattais for the fundraiser, the video that I posted last week, if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you go back and watch that video. I am naan kattaied out. I do want to bake, I do want to mix, I do want to turn the oven on. So I was thinking of what to do because I needed something for tonight. When I was in Dubai, I ate these chocolate balls. Cyber Auntie calls them chocolate balls. And so that I'm going to caution you that not were they super delicious, they're super easy to make. And you don't need to bake. So I've cautioned you that these chocolate balls are out of the world. 4 ingredients. This is what I'm talking about. Should have brought this plate closer before. If you are just excited as I am, let's go ahead, head in the kitchen, and I'll show you how to do this. So let's go ahead, start with the recipe here. It's a very, very quick recipe. Like, full ingredient list is in the description box below the video. I've got graham crackers here that I've crushed. Now, for those that don't get graham crackers, you can use any type of cookie. This is an unsweetened desiccated coconut. And then I got some cocoa powder. Now, you want to use really good quality cocoa powder because that's really going to give it that depth of flavor. And then here I have some condensed milk. Okay, we're going to pour the condensed milk right in. And then you just want to mix everything together. Sprinkle of salt. Okay. Just want to mix all this together. Really nice mixture. It's already forming. See that? I'm going to add a little bit more cocoa powder in here because I'm not getting that rich cocoa taste. If you hear, that's Jasmine, and she's locked downstairs in the basement by mistake. So she's just meowing because she wants me to open the door for her. All right, let's go open the door for Jasmine. That's Aladdin, if you guys haven't seen him for a while, huh? So that's Aladdin. And then Jasmine. That's Jasmine. This is the setup that we do. So a little bit behind the scenes here. After you roll them all out, get about 25. Okay. So see how they look? Look. Oh, they look so good. Okay. So now, Cyber Auntie usually just dips it in coconut. So many variations you can come up with. I'm just going to show you a few here. All right, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to dip the other ones in cocoa powder. Who doesn't like sprinkles, right? Okay, so I gotta show you some of the variations that I did, okay? So I just melted some milk chocolate, just some milk chocolate, okay? And you just wanna dip it in there just like so. Take it out, tap, tap, tap. Okay, goes down like that. Then you can go ahead and add some sprinkles on top if you wanted to, or you could add some coconut on top of it. Really, it's up to you how you want to do it. A little bit on top. Now you can leave it as they are, or you could just put some chocolate in a piping bag and just go ahead and just kind of be super like fancy and just pipe some chocolate just like that. Okay, And then on top of this, if you want to come back and add some more sprinkles, you can. And then I did the same thing for the milk chocolate. Next thing, I'm going to come back and look at how beautiful they just pop out. Like it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just so cute. So all right, cute. Everyone, now look at this. Look at this. Okay, this is Cyberanti's creation. I can't wait to try it because when I tried hers, they were absolutely delicious. There you go. Cocoa powder definitely elevated the taste. But I'm going to try the original one. All right, right side, the coconut ones. The original is always my favorite. Really good. Now, I want to try the chocolate ones. I wonder if I overdid it. So, let me tell you something. I did not overdo it. It just tastes like a homemade almond joy without the almonds. But, You know, I was worried about the white chocolate. I thought it was going to be too sweet. It's going to feel icky. It's delicious. It's spot on. So, time out. To thank Cyberanti for this recipe. This is amazing. So give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, and share. That's all I ask for. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Hannah's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.